Okay, let's keep going. We'll push through. True and false. Yeah, this. Okay. All right. I see. Okay, there are two unices of linear named dB. I agree. Oh, what have I done? There are 0 uses of implicit. Oh, you're kidding, right? Okay. So if we do it this way, all right, is there something else we can do here? So basically, you have to wrap it in another type. Why do we need this, though? It's not clear to me why we need this at all. Why can't we just use res? And can I do this again? What is D here? No, D is just a string. It's data. I would have used data, but apparently it's a reserved keyword. And gives you a hard to understand error message. The fact that you can't just run show on a pattern variable here is really annoying. The interaction between linear types and destructuring or pattern matching is unintuitive and fatal, potentially. Potentially makes your linear type non-linear. And if you don't do it, you can't. Yeah, and if you don't do it, your type remains linear. Yeah, so if you do it, your linear type becomes non-linear, which is a real problem. Is there a way that we can make this nonlinear? This dB? Because here, pattern matching on the either type, the either was meant to be linear and probably was linear. But then when we pattern matched on it, it stopped being linear. Or everything inside of it stopped being linear. I don't know if everything inside of it was ever linear to begin with. I don't know how that works. Because maybe with this version, maybe yes, these things inside of it are linear, but the only way you can even access them is by pattern matching. So they stop being linear. That was very unenlightening. And the reason that dB remains linear is it's part of the type definition of this, that dB is specifically linear, whereas this, what's linear with this? Let's go back. Let's go read this again. So we've got a usage. So here, A should be linear. But I guess A here is that but then when you pattern match on it, it stops being linear. That's quite a big foot gun, in my opinion. And I guess the way that you get around that is by using this res type, which is dependent. So you don't pattern match. Actually, you do. Why doesn't this erase the linearity? Like these are separate, as in separate constructors. Left and right are separate constructors, whereas these are both the same constructor. I wonder if that matters. I don't think it should, but it might. Well, whatever the behavior is, it's very unintuitive and can potentially make your linear types nonlinear. All right. Okay. I think that's enough for now. We'll just fix this up slightly. Okay. I'll probably continue with this. I think I've gotten pretty much everything I expected to get out of this project. But we'll keep going. It shouldn't be too hard to just keep going with it. It's kind of fun when I'm not battling with random Idris quirks, which unfortunately is most of the time. But it's kind of fun to write in, so I might continue with it. We'll see what happens next time. But that's all for now.